On your Apple iPhone, if you want to make a video call, you can use the FaceTime application. On FaceTime, you can make both video calls and audio calls. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make a video call through FaceTime on your Apple iPhone. For this, the first thing you need to do is open the FaceTime application. It comes as a default application on your phone. Anyways, after opening the FaceTime application, here you can sometimes see some suggestions. You can click on that and make a video call. And if you haven't made any video calls before, here you can see the new call option. Click on New Call. When you click on that, here you can also see some suggestions. From this, you can select whichever contact you want. Or if you can't see that contact here, what you can do is search for that contact. After searching for that contact, select it. And one thing is, they must also have an iPhone, only then will this work. If they're using an Android phone, this may not work. Anyways, here you can see the FaceTime option. Since we want to make a video call, you need to select this FaceTime option. When you click on that, the call will go through. Now on this phone, you can see the call is coming in. I'm joining this call. When you join, now here you can see that the call is connected. Now sometimes you may want to switch your camera. For that, what you need to do is click on this button here. When you click on that, the camera will switch. And sometimes during the call, you may want to mute it. For that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, the call will be muted. That means others cannot hear what you're saying. And if you want to unmute, just click on it again. After that, they can hear what you're saying. And if you want to share your screen with others, here you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on that, here you can see screen sharing. Click on screen sharing. When you click on that, here you can see the share my screen option. If you want to share your screen, you need to select share my screen. After that, whatever you're doing on your phone, the other person can see it on theirs too. Here you can see whatever I'm doing appears on their phone. Anyways, after that, if you want to stop this screen sharing, click on the stop button. When you click on that, screen sharing will be stopped, and likewise, if you want to ask them to share their screen, just click on these 3 dots and click on screen sharing. And here you can see the ask to share option. Click on this. When you click on that, on their phone, you can see the share option. When they click on that, you can see their screen as well. And like before, on their phone, just click on stop and that screen sharing will be stopped. And here you can see one more option, share play, when you click on these 3 dots. And when you click on share play, you can see some options like YouTube, TikTok, and so many other applications. What this means is that, for example, in YouTube, if you're playing any video, this person can also see that video. But one thing is, in the case of YouTube and others, you need a premium subscription, only then will this feature work, and here there are so many other options too. If you want to see captions, you can click on Live Captions. And if you want to translate that audio, you can click on Live Translate. So automatically, at that time only, your video will be translated. And if you want to add anyone to this call, here you can see the Add Call option. Click on Add Call and you can select whichever contact you want. That person will be added to this call, so you can make a group call as well. And in between, if you want to take a screenshot, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button and the screenshot will be taken. But one thing is that when you're taking a screenshot, a notification will be shown on their phone. So they will understand that you have taken a screenshot. So this way you can easily make a video call through FaceTime. And after this, if you want to disconnect the call, here you can see a red button. Click on this button. When you click on that, the call will be disconnected. So this way you can easily make a video call through FaceTime on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.